Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to show you how to do an upper body roll with no tension in your body. So when we have tension in our muscles and we get all tight and stressed, what we really have is fear in our muscles. It's stored up in our muscles, and when we're tight and when we're tense, we just can't move as good as we're made to move, and we just don't feel as good. So if you can learn how to move without tension in your muscles, well then you can really move. So this is a great way that I have found, and maybe it'll work for you, but this is a great way I've found to do an upper body roll with almost no tension in your body. And so what we're gonna do is, I'm gonna take my hands, put them together, I'm gonna look at you, gonna rotate my hands over to the left, and then I'm gonna take this hand and I'm just gonna run it down or reach down until it rolls my body over. And so my legs, my lower body, everything is just completely relaxed, loosey-goosey. And then from here, I can either take my leg and undo it and go the other way. So I am gonna pick my head up because the eyes and the head lead the body, and I'm gonna take my arm and reach across my other arm. And that reach just pulls me right over. Then I'm gonna come back. So just reach it. And I don't know what it is about just having that skin-on-skin contact here and that reach that just really helps me let go of any tension in my body. Another way to do that might be, so we're gonna take this arm, make it a 90-degree angle. So we've created a triangle with our arms, and now I'm gonna reach up and let this arm let my hand just, touch my arm as I reach. And the reach up just pulls my body right over. So if I go the other way, and again, I know it sounds silly, like, well, why couldn't I just reach? Because sometimes, for whatever reason, you may just get a little bit more tight than you otherwise would. And this may be a way here to just let all that tension go. Just so you can see what it looks like from another angle. So we're here, and I'm just reaching. And I do think there is something nice about this skin-on-skin contact. We're definitely doing something good for the brain because we're crossing midline. And here's that other roll. So I've got this triangle here, and I'm just gonna reach. So this arm creates a ramp for this arm, and I let it pull me over. And then here, create a triangle, reach. It's almost like as if my hand's getting pulled up to the ceiling, and then back down. Anyway, play with your rolls. If this roll is not the one that does it for you, where you just can't let go of tension, explore the ways you do enjoy rolling without any tension in your muscles. Or as little, only use the amount of tension that's needed to make the roll happen. Because if you can do that, if you can just move effortlessly with only the attention that you need to carry out the movement, you're just gonna be a real good mover, and you're more than likely gonna feel pretty daggone good. All right, guys, that's it for this week. I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.
To learn more, consider attending an Original Strength workshop. Visit originalstrength.net.